if you have to change, this is 2016 Chrysler 200. Customer purchased a Android radio and a backup cam. Comes with a CAN module, external microphone, AV input wires, no manual as usual. Gives you basic couple of pages long how to access the functions, but not exactly a manual. First thing we're going to do is to remove the radio and disconnect all the harnesses. This radio came with a panel pop and a screwdriver. So stick it on one corner, pry the bezel, no screws around, you just have to pry the entire faceplate out. It's kind of snug when it comes out. I need two hands. Put the phone down. I have to pry it out with two hands. Just basically, this bezel comes out. Disconnect this harness. So the locking tab here. Push and pull. That release that egg switch. Now there should be 4 screws here. I'm going to remove that. So here. So one there, and radio should come out. So remove these 4 screws. Radio can be pulled out. Disconnect all the harnesses. There's a locking tab here. Release. Then I'm going to put the phone down to release this. So this locking tab needs to be pulled up like that. Then the harness comes out. There's a USB. This is an antenna. Just push the middle pin and pull like that. Right, so next step is to you gotta open this one up. You should lock this locking tab in the antenna adapter. Here. Okay, now let's try this. Make sure it works. Plug in all the harnesses. That white plug is the CAN. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if it works. Boot up. Let's see the music. No. Where's the radio at? Radio.
Prepare this delicate fish with a mango habanero salsa for a vibrant kick. While supplies last, shop in-store or online. Terms apply.
I'm Julian Edelman. I'm Rob Gronkowski. Welcome to Dudes on Dudes.
Actually, control is not on here, on the back of it, so that does work. Alright, so radio seems to be working. So next step, we're going to remove these air vent screws, transfer over to new dash kit, along with this hazard switch. So that all had to come out and transfer over to new one. This radio came with USB adapter. It plugs into the factory USB. So you're probably not going to need these long USB cables, but we're going to plug it in anyway. Be sure to connect this antenna. Without it, the wireless Carplay may not function properly. So this you don't have to put it on the top of the dash. You can just put it behind the radio. That works fine. We've been doing that for years and never had any issue with it. So we got the air vents out from the old one. Just plug it in the same way it came out. No special trick. We are also doing a reverse cam. I'm going to connect the reverse wire to the trigger. Remove the license plate, make a hole in the middle, the wire goes through there. Big enough for RCA to go through. Be sure to silicone that hole so you don't get water inside.
Che verga!
This is the reverse light plug. What you do is tie the RCA wire and the red wire together, that goes to the reverse wire along with the ground wire. You're running the RCA. You put the air vent and the hazard switch back in. That's what it's look like.
¿Todo bien?
Been wrong in my life.
No, sometimes
I could be wrong, but never been wrong in my life.
you come. The mic run already?
That's the microphone. We're gonna use this one for the power for the cam, but it didn't work out because this is one of those CAN bus signal. It doesn't really give you 12 volt. So what we're gonna do is, instead of using this one reverse light as the power for the backup cam, we're gonna hook it up to the pink wire from the CAN module up front. There is a pink wire from the CAN module right here. This pink wire, we're going to use that as the power source. Alright, so everything seems to be working. So instead of using the reverse light as a power source for the backup cam, connect to the CAN pink wire, which is a reverse signal, and that is the power connection for the backup cam. You need to transfer those locking clips off the original bezel, put it onto the new one. On the Carplay, since it's not licensed, they put CP link. Pair the Bluetooth. Car BT is the name. Beautiful.
¿Cómo está el clima?
En estos momentos en el municipio de Union hay 17 grados con cielos nublados. Hoy va a estar parcialmente nublado con una máxima pronosticada.
For CNBC, we now have markets soaring on this election day morning. The Dow up 257 points.
This problem before. Okay.
Who is that guy? What, Trump?
Like the song.
He's losing it. If you have to change the resolution on the cam, what you do is touch the screen with the two fingers. This menu pops up for the system settings. Most of them are CVBS, which is regular resolution. But if you have a high definition resolution, you have to set as either 720, whatever the resolution the cam is. Ours, the test cam was CVBS. We changed over to 720, and that's the resolution. After that, you gotta hit confirm. Radio will reboot it, and the new resolution will be set.